Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video here on Crypto Markets. Today we're going to be talking about the three cryptocurrencies I think have the potential to moon here in 2018. Now before I get into it, I have a few disclaimers. One, I'm not a financial advisor. There is a chance everything goes to zero tomorrow. There's a chance it goes to 1 billion tomorrow. I don't know. You can't predict the future 100%, but with what limited knowledge I do have, these are my predictions. This is what I think is going to happen. But I do encourage you guys to do your own research. You should really have the best understanding you can of your coin to make sure you don't get screwed over. And secondly, I also have a small portion of my portfolio in these coins myself. Obviously, if I'm bullish on them, I think they're going to explode. I'm going to be invested in them myself. So I just want to have that disclaimer out there for transparency's sake. But without any further ado, let's get right into it. So the last couple days, the market capitalization has been improving by quite a bit. As you guys can see, we're at over $800 billion, and that's a big deal. Let's take a quick look at this graph here. That has gone up exponentially, and I don't see a reason that it won't continue to go this way, at least for some time. Okay, so the first coin I want to talk about is Manero. Now, I think there's a number of reasons why Manero can potentially moon and really see a crazy price hike. And the first reason, I think, is because it is a privacy coin. And the most popular one at that. Now, privacy, when you think about it, cryptocurrency is all private. No. The problem with a lot of these other coins is, people think Bitcoin is a private coin, or at least in the sense that it, more private than a US dollar transaction. And in that sense, you are kind of correct. However, Bitcoin operates on a public blockchain. Anyone with an internet access, they can see your Bitcoin transaction on the blockchain, as they can with many other cryptocurrencies. That's where Manero comes in. If you want to buy drugs on the deep web, Manero is the way to do it. Now, I think what's going to happen in 2018 is come tax time, people are going to wake up to this bitter reality where they have to pay taxes on all these capital gains, the short-term, the long-term capital gains. And with the way the current tax law is written on cryptocurrency, it is going to be a shit show. And I think it really will bring the IRS to a screeching halt because there are so many people getting into this now. I actually just saw an article the other day, actually earlier today, by Cointelegraph that many exchanges, they're signing up 100,000 new users a day. Now, that's a lot of people, right? And a lot of people are going to get around taxes, and that's not just the US, it's across the world. So I think when people wake up to if I use Bitcoin to try to get rich quick, the government's going to come in and tax me, and they're going to find me on the blockchain. And then they're going to buy into Manero. Now, I'm not saying that you should use Manero to avoid taxes. I think you should pay your taxes. This is an up-and-coming industry, and we shouldn't try, demonize it by being criminals about it. I think we should try to show the world that this is the future and that, cryptocurrency isn't just a way to buy child pornography or drugs on the deep web anymore. But enough on that rant. I think that's going to lead Manero to becoming a big coin because it is that. But anyway, the next coin I want to talk about is NAV. And the reason I'm very bullish on NAV is for the same reason that I'm bullish on Manero. Now, NAV is very similar to Manero in that it is a private cryptocurrency. Now, the real thing that NAV has over Manero, though, is a low US dollar price. When people see these high figures, these $16,000 a coin, as I talked about in my video yesterday, people don't want to buy into that. They think that it's too much money. They don't have that much. And there are still a number of people, a very large number of people, that don't understand that you can buy decimal places into the cryptocurrencies. Like, they don't understand you can buy 0.5 Bitcoin. But that's neither here nor there. You can buy, but, when it comes to NAV, you can buy a whole bunch, right? It's only $4.20 a coin, and it's very affordable. Now, as we take a look here at this graph, there's already been quite a bull run to begin with, but I think this could go higher. And I think currently NAV is only listed at, here, let's see if I can find it here. It's number 116 on all coins. So that's pretty low when you think about it. And because of the privacy factor, the low US dollar factor, I think those are two things that contribute to making NAV a very big potential coin to boom in 2018. But enough on that. So the last coin I want to talk about is Raiblocks. Now, as you can see, again, this is another one. This has already been a big bull run on this. I think it went from, I think it was 40 cents. Yeah, it was not even 40 cents a couple months ago at the beginning of December. You can get it for 22 cents on December 1st, and now it's up to $26. It actually maxed out around $40 on some exchanges, which is a very big deal. But part of the reason I'm bullish on XRB is a number of reasons. The most important thing that I think is it has the potential for infinite scalability. I think Raiblocks could be the coin that replaces a lot of these bigger coins up here. There are 0 transaction fees. There is a very quick network. There is a very good development team. And a big signal to me that Raiblocks has the potential to explode is the simple fact that this entire bull run, it saw a giant, you guys see this, right? This is like exponential growth right here. It did that on BitGrail and Mercatox, 2 random unknown exchanges that, I'm a cryptocurrency enthusiast, and I had not heard of those exchanges until Raiblocks. And then I made an account and I bought some. Now, it's also been recently listed on Kucoin. As far as I know, that was only a couple days ago, but regardless, that is still a big deal. So imagine this coin was listed on, some of the bigger exchanges. And not to mention, it has also actually been voted to be listed on Binance. And I actually think that's going to happen within 10 days. So there is going to be a massive, massive bull run on XRB. And if you guys know, the coins that get voted for and listed on Binance, they tend to see historic bull runs in the months afterward. So I still think not only for 2018, I'm bullish on this coin for the long term, but if you're looking to make a quick buck, what I would do is I would put a few $100 in, again, not more than you're willing to lose, but I would put some in on XRB because it will be listed on Binance soon. It will get more media exposure. People will wake up to the technology that is behind XRB, and they will find the good development team. And I think that's all going to lead to a big bull run. And I think this is going to look like nothing in a couple months. But those are my big 3 predictions for 2018. Be sure to let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Again, I hope you guys look into these coins before you invest in them if you decide that you want to. I do think there's a lot of good tech in these 3 coins, and as far as I can tell, as far as my research has brought me, these are very solid coins. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more speculation and analysis like this, be sure to subscribe to the Crypto Markets YouTube channel or the channel on BitChute if you prefer BitChute. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.